The effect is, once the emergency call is retrieved by the provincial tertiary group, the tertiary group are all trained. These people in red, they have been under training for several weeks because they are supposed to be the people who will man both the call center. If there is a voice call, there is an automatic response, and there will also be automatic fielding of the response team. So when every town will have their own 24 hours on duty, kung asa dapit ang problema, panalitan o tuwa sa Carmen ang problema, then layo pa man ng Carmen na daganon sa provincial response team, ang inyong local response team dito mo ay mga tubag. If it will be a crime about to be committed, or in the process of commission, or was just being committed, it will be very quick to network with our police, with our army, with even the fire department because of the network. So communication will be an important tool for development, against criminality, and all forms of disturbance of the community. So it will also be a very important tool to save lives, and also an important tool in cases of emergency and disasters. So with this vision, if all of us will be in the same boat together, you can just imagine how things can be quickly responded to. So that is, I think, one of the very important initiatives that we hope everyone in our team for Bohol, team for the development of the province, can be in together. So today, we have invited everyone to be present because we hope that this will provide inspiration to all who are present here today. So with that, allow me to proceed to the most important part of our meeting this afternoon. We will witness the signing of the joint, before our guest speaker gives his message, the signing of the joint implementation plan for the provincial joint peace and security coordinating efforts of the armed forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police. And this will be done by Police Senior Superintendent Constantino Barot Jr., as well as Colonel John Bonafos, Brigade Commander of the 802nd Brigade. So they can just do it where they are. So the forms are requested to be presented to them, and they can do their signing where they are seated. So this is a joint collaboration of the PNP as well as the AFP in the province. And please proceed with your signing activity. And I would like to inform everyone that even without the tertiary group, our collaboration for quick response has already been there. In our past experiences of weather disturbance in Bohol, by the landslides and the flash floods that killed 3 people recently, our AFP and the PNP were already working closely with local government. So we thank them for that. Thank you once again, and let's give a big hand to our Philippine National Police and the Armed Forces of the Philippines. We would like to inform everyone that we have reached the stage in our meeting where we are going to be inspired by a message of our guest speaker today, and he will be appropriately introduced by our very own Philippine National Police Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Aguirre Onto. Let's give a big hand to Superintendent Onto.
Thank you very much, our Honorable Chairman of the CPOC, the Honorable Governor Edgar Chato. I have a very strict order of my boss that I should make this short and concise, so I will do that. Allow me therefore to state that our guest of honor and speaker is a complete and all-around professional police officer. If there's anybody in the PNP who can lay claim to that title, then it is no other than our guest of honor and speaker today. He started his career in 1973 as a cadet of the Philippine Military Academy, and for 38 years, he has gone through all the stages of a professional police officer. He has been assigned in Mindanao as a company commander of the 54th PC Battalion, and then he went on to the highlands of Kalinga, Apayao, also as a company commander. He also served as a counterinsurgency expert and company commander in Quezon, and later on became the provincial director of Bataan. He later became the director of the Highway Patrol Group, and later on became the regional director of Police Regional Office 4A. After that, he occupied the top three positions in the PNP as the Chief Directorial Staff, the Deputy Chief PNP for Operations, and his present assignment now as the Deputy Chief PNP for Administration. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to introduce our Deputy Chief PNP for Administration, Police Deputy Director General Perfecto Ponce Palat. First.
Una-una, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Angel for that kind introduction. However, when he introduced me as your guest of honor speaker, I would like to inform everybody that I'm not a good speaker. I'm your guest, but I'm not a good speaker. Please allow me to greet first our Chairman and Presiding Officer of the Peace and Order Council of the Province of Bohol, the Honorable and very energetic Provincial Governor, the Honorable Governor Edgar Chato. Nakakawala kayo ating very energetic governor. I have been with so many governors, but the way he order his municipal mayor, parang regional director din eh. Of course, the members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, headed by its presiding officer, the Honorable Vice Governor Joaquin Gil, our mayors present, headed by the President of the League of Municipal Mayors, the Honorable Mayor May Imboy. Of course, I would like to greet the people in presidential table. Yung po ating Director of Politics, kinakausap lang po ng ating Chief PNP right now. Siya po ay si Police Director, two-star. Sa akin po kasi, pag two-star, Director ang tawag. Sa AFP, Major General, Police Director George Piano. Siya po yung ating Director of Politics, May today. Siya po yung pinagdala ko na itong mga nakikita niyo sa harapan. And for our mayors, siya po yung nag-allocate ng mga vehicles, kung alin yung mga istasyon na pwedeng gawin, yung mga police station. So after this conference perhaps, our municipal mayors might have some questions on how they can ask for some mobility and police stations to our Director for Logistics. I would like also to greet Director for Directorate Integrated Police Operations, and then Base Director, Police Director, Jaime Pugi Calondon, tayo Pugi, and his deputy, Police Chief Superintendent Jobel Adriatico. Yung po Director for Directorate for Integrated Police Operations, ito po yung Directorate in charge sa the three regional offices of 6, 7, and 8 in regard to insurgency, terrorism, addressing the problems on calamity, and the disbanding of funds. No? Yun po yung effort ng ating TAIPO, the TAIPO Commander and Staff. No? That's why he is here. Pinag-uusapan natin insurgency, pinag-uusapan natin yung disaster risk reduction. No? So sila po yung nasa forefront ng supervision over the three regional offices of 6, 7, and 8. I would like also to greet yung pong aming AAP counterpart, no? Soon to be Brigadier General also, your Brigade Commander of the 802nd Brigade here with his jurisdiction over the province of Bohol, Colonel Jan Colapot. And of course, the commander of the battalion commander of the 2nd SF Battalion, even known as Lieutenant Colonel Romeo Brown Jr. Siguro nakikita niyo si Colonel Brother, no? Nagka-AP spokesman. So siguro nakita siya dito, hindi lang masyadong ma-recognize. I am also in my company, the Regional Director of Police Regional Office 7, Devano Duduspi, the Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent Adrian Onto. Galing din po siya sa Directorate for Operations. Together with Police Chief Superintendent Marcelo Carbo, the Deputy for Directorate for Operations. And the Chief, no, ito po yung heart ng PNP. No? All-knowing kasi ito po yung pinaka-communication center natin. Siya po yung Chief neto, Police Chief Superintendent Benito Mabili. Last week ni John Bonabot, nauna na nag-general. But siguro mauna mag-pusar naman si John. And yung kababayan niyo rito, si Police Senior Superintendent Louie Opo. Incoming Chief Superintendent nila. Of course, yung Provincial Director, si Colonel Constantino Barro. I would like also to greet our PIND officers present. Of course, the men and women in red. Ito po yung Tarsier 117, the newly created unit under the office of the Governor, the Quick Emergency Response Team, or unit, that will be supporting the province of Bohol in case of emergency. I would like also to greet the Chief of Police of the different police station here in the province of Bohol. Please stand up. Other officers, both in the PNP and the AAP, ladies and gentlemen, our friends from the media, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. First of all, I would like to thank the Provincial Governor and of course the people of Bohol for the warm and cordial welcome that you have accorded to me and our party, no? The whole of the PNP who came from Manila and from Region 7 to attend this Peace and Order Council and together with your Provincial Risk Reduction Management Council. Really, the PNP, no? Police Director General Attorney Raul Paraso, my classmate, is very much wanting to be here with you this afternoon. However, he has a meeting to attend to because tomorrow the President will be presiding over the graduation in the Philippine National Police Academy together with our PNP. That's why he was unable to attend this meeting, and so he has directed me. As the second command, I get direction from our chief. That's why I'm very much elated to be with you today in this peace and order